So as you can see, we just launched the application, and there you go. So what we did was we downloaded Direct Play, and we installed it, and then we had to restart our computer to fully install the application. So Direct Play will have a successful installation, as you can see, installed properly, and we already have launched the MODVO app. And this is version 2.0. As you can see, it went to cover mode. So actually, this is a new feature that we have, and it's going to be on the 2.0 version, which allow you to actually, in a way, put the software application not in sleep mode, but just to cover the screen. So for a reason, if you are running this application and you just want to, cover the screen, or actually close the application and still have it, left open because you are still using it. Maybe you're away from the computer and you don't want anyone to view what you are doing, and you still want to use this app without closing it. It will automatically go to cover mode, and this is what we have right now. And what's really great about this covers is that as you can see, I move my mouse cursor on the cover and it does it actually open, or does it allow you to view the program that is running, actually VR app that we are running, and it's actually designed that way. It kind of works like a screensaver, and that's the best way to think of it, as a screensaver. But what's really great is actually better than a screensaver is the fact with most screensavers, and as soon as you make any type of move or any type of gesture with the pointing device, the screensaver would just go off. It would go back to your main screen. But with our covers, they don't. So if you accidentally touch the screen or you accidentally touch the cursor, as you can see, the screen is still active. The cover is still activated, as you can see. So I could click. I'm clicking right now on anywhere on the screen, and the cover is still activated. It does not deactivate until you click the center of the screen. So this is great. So if you want to put the MODVO app in cover mode, you don't have to worry about accidentally touching the keys or touching the mouse pad. Usually with screensavers will deactivate the screensaver, but this it won't. So this is great. As you can see, just to deactivate it or turn it off, you just click the center of the screen, and there you go. This is actually, we have a new home screen for the application. As you can see, not much has changed from the design and the software application. Pretty much the menus and everything is the same, but as you can see, it goes right back to cover mode. And if you want to deactivate it again, all you have to do is just click the center, just click the M logo or MODVO logo, and there you go. Now if you want to turn this feature off where the covers won't be activated, because the covers are activated in this app every 20 seconds. So if you don't want to keep going back to covers, all you have to do is deactivate it, and you click right here where it says cover. You click the blue button and it's turned off. So now the covers are off, and you don't have to worry about the MODVO app going into like sleep mode or actually going into covers mode when you turn it off. So this is one of our new features that we have added to the MODVO app, and we think it's a great feature because not only that, but it will allow us to further create interface type software that can do a lot of things, have a lot of features that normally you wouldn't with small applications like this. So yeah, this is a new look, a new homepage look for the MODVO app version 2.0, a new wallpaper. But as we go through the section, let's see, let's go to loudspeakers. As you can see, not much has changed. My indicator right here says we're running version 1.0, but we haven't updated our indicator yet, and there's a reason for that, because we're not really sure we're going to come out with a new indicator, or we will continue to use our older version 1.0. You know, not much has changed with the interface. You know, it has slightly changed, a little bit different color background. Everything is pretty much the same. So if you want to go to desktop mode, you click on desktop, audio player mode, or CD player mode. And let's go to audio player mode for a second. Now we do have a new feature, and this feature is not really permanent. We're not really sure, are we going to include this in our final version of the MODVO App 2.0. But we actually have a portrait mode right here. So basically, if you are using this application on a screen, like for the PC that rotates, you can actually rotate your screen horizontal. I'm sorry, not horizontal, but vertically. You can actually take your screen that is horizontal mode and flip your screen in vertical mode, and you can actually view this audio player in that mode. So basically what it is just, you know, our audio player in a vertical mode. So which is, again, you know, it's another nice feature, but it's, you know, it's not permanent right now. We're not sure if we are going to include this feature in it, but definitely in the next version of the MODVO app we will. So next thing you want to do, let's see, we go to loudspeakers, and in this section of course we are going to have new loudspeakers to use, and also new setups and setup guides. Now one thing I want to do is go to desktop mode, and again, we have not updated our desktop section yet. We are still running our desktop after version 1.0. I think it's version 1.01 or 2. Yes, so as you can see, our last update, if you look at, okay, we have two calendars basically. On our main calendar right here, you see our last update of our software was in February 2020. Of course, you know, we haven't updated our calendar, but as you can see, our clock and our date is current. So what I want to do here is really access our network. Now this is something that we've been working on for a while right here. I'm going to click on it. There we go, network. Now we actually, as you can see, it says network coming soon. We're actually working on network for this app, and you may see it's definitely going to be in version 3.0, but for 2.0 we're not really sure right now because we're still working on it. But this network is going to have basically a lot of online content, mostly online content, like articles, of course, you know, music, you know, streaming music, and hopefully streaming video. So you will be able to access all this content from the app. You won't have to worry about, you know, open up your web browser, you know, going online. If you want to listen to music, you don't have to worry about trying to open up your music application. You could just go directly to the MODVO app, and we will have our own music basically on our software application. So you'll be able to listen to music, stream it, and hopefully also stream video content.